Morning students. Now discuss three-dimensional geometry. In three-dimensional geometry, this one is a coordinate system, and coordinate system is very important for 12th class as well as competitions. Okay. Now in this one, first of all discuss first point, direction ratios. Direction ratios means dr of any line. Suppose this is 2 points A and B, x1, y1, z1, x2, y2 and z2. Find drs of AB. Drs of AB is x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1 and z2 minus z2. This one is written as small a, b and c. Therefore, drs of any line is small a, b and c. Now, next point is discuss direction cosine. Direction cosine. In this direction cosine, this is written as DCs of line. Suppose this is the coordinate system, x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. This is any line OP. Angle alpha with x-axis, beta with y-axis and gamma with z-axis. Therefore, direction cosines are cos alpha, cos beta and cos gamma. And this one is written as L, M and N. PR is ABC and DCs are element. One relation is a relation between DRs and DCs. Yes बेटा, अगर बेटे DRs और DCs में रिलेशन चाहिए, that means L equals to plus minus A upon under root A square, B square and C square. Similarly, M equals to plus minus B upon root A square, B square, C square. N equals to plus minus C upon A square, B square and C square. And one more important relation. This is known. L square plus M square plus N square equals to 1. Is it clear? Okay, now discuss questions. Example number 1, page 466. If a line angles are 60 degree, 90 degree, 60 degree and 30 degree, find the DCs. Yes बेटा, अब आपको इसके DCs कैलकुलेट करने हैं. DCs are L equals to cos alpha, cos 90, cos 90 is 0, N equals to cos beta, cos 60, cos 60 is 1 by 2, N equals to cos 30, cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Therefore, DCs of line are 0, 1 by 2 and root 3 by 2. Next example. Example number 2. If a line of DRs are given, DRs are 2 minus 1 and minus 2. Find the DCs of the line. Yes beta, L equals to A upon under root A square plus B square plus C square. 2 upon 4 plus 1 plus 4, 9. That means 2 by 3. N equals to minus 1 by 3. N equals to minus 2 by 3. Example number 3. If 2 points are given, A minus 2, 4, minus 5, C 1, 2, 3. Find that DCs. But first of all, calculate DRs. DRs are small a equals to x2 minus x1. So 1 minus 2 means 3. B equals to y2 minus y1 minus 2. C equals to z2 minus z1 8. DCs are n equals to a upon under root 3 upon root 9 plus 4 plus 64. 3 upon, yes beta, 13, 17, 13, 77. Okay, root of 77. N equals to minus 2 upon root 77. N equals to 8 upon root 77. Is it clear? Example 4. Find the DCs of x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. DCs of x-axis. Yes beta, if DCs of x-axis, that means 1, 0, 0. DCs of y-axis 0, 1, 0. DCs of z-axis 0, 0 and 1. Example number 5. Show that points are collinear. अगर बेटा पॉइंट्स कोलिनियर हैं 2, 3 minus 4. B is 1 minus 2, 3. C equals to 3, 8 minus 11. And show that this one is collinear. Yes बेटा, collinear के लिए बहुत सारे मेथड्स हैं, but DRs of AB, हम पहले AB के DRs निकालेंगे. जानते हैं y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1 और z2 minus z1. minus 1, minus 5 and 7. Similarly calculate DRs of BC. 3 minus 1, 8 minus 2 and minus 11 minus 3. 2, 10 and minus 4. Yes, इसको proportional check करिए. Now A1 upon A2, B1 upon B2, C1 upon C2. Minus 1 upon 2, minus 5 upon 10, 7 upon minus 14. Verified. Therefore, A, B and C are collinear. Is it clear? Okay, now discuss the exercise. Collinear is clear. Question is question number 2. Exercise 11.1. Find the BCs of a line makes equal angle with the coordinate axis. Equal angle means alpha, beta and gamma are equal. If alpha, beta and gamma and are equal, therefore value of L, M and N are equal, but L square, M square, N square equals to 1. This is 3L square is 1. L equals to plus minus 1 upon root 3. Therefore, DCs are plus minus 1 upon root 3, plus minus 1 upon root 3, plus minus 1 upon root 3 is the answer. Now discuss next one. Question number 5. If A, B, C are given, A equals to 3, 5 minus 4, B equals to minus 1, 1, 2, C equals to minus 5, minus 5, minus 2. Find the DCs of the sides of the triangle ABC. Suppose this is a triangle A, B and C. Find the DCs. First of all, DRs of AB. बेटा एक लाइन की DRs निकालिए, इसमें से इसको माइनस कर दीजिए, -4 and 6. Now DCs of AB. DCs निकालने के लिए -4 upon 16 plus 16 plus 36 कितना हो गया? -4, 32, 68, 32, 68, 34, 17. That means 2 root 17. And -4 upon 2 root 17, 6 upon 2 root 17. इसको कैंसिल कर दीजिए. 2 root 17, 2 root 17 and 3 upon root 17. Similarly, आप बेटे निकालेंगे DRs of BC. अगर BC के DRs निकालने हैं तो करिए, इसमें से इसको माइनस करिए, -4, इसमें से इसको माइनस करिए, -6, इसमें से इसको माइनस करिए, -4. और DCs कितने आएंगे? DCs of BC -4 अपॉन, अब 16 plus 16 plus 36, 2 root 17 ही आएगा. -6 upon 2 root 17, -4 upon 2 root 17. That means -2 upon root 17, -3 upon root 17 and -2 upon root 17. Similarly, आपको DRs निकालने होंगे, DRs of AC. अब AC के DRs निकालिए, इसमें से इसको माइनस करिए, -8, -10 और इसमें से इसे करिए 2. तो DCs of AC -8 अपॉन, अब इसे करिए सॉल्व, 64, 104, 168 और ये 2 8 जा, 2 4 जा, 2 4 जा, 2 2 जा, 6 7 जा. That means 2 root 42 -10 upon 2 root 42 and 2 upon 2 root 42. -4 upon root 42, -5 upon root 42 and 1 upon root 42 is the answer. Is it clear?